Ladies and gentlemen, the members of the Fourth Estate, the Gen Zs and the people of Nyamira County, good afternoon. Your Excellency, we want to appreciate your time here. We want to appreciate the fact that you have responded to the demands of our young people. Because we, as the young people of Nyamira, we have decided that in collaboration with you, the governor, we must make Nyamira a great county. We thank you and we appreciate all your time with your staff. Part of the demands, Your Excellency, today, one of our very peaceful Gen Z, who was very peaceful, was arrested and is a student at a university. Your Excellency, through you, we want to secede. You get him out free. Please, if you won't mind. Your Excellency, as much as we are collaborating, we need guidance because with your experience, we know you will listen to us rather than those who are trying to use young people to cause chaos and mayhem. We, the Gen Zs of Nyamira County, are very peaceful, but those who, your opponents, who want to fight you politically, want to bring you down. Your Excellency, we want to tell you today, you have received us. Continue supporting us and continue supporting our demands, and we will make Nyamira a great county with peaceful inhabitants. We want to congratulate you for your effort to make this county a great county. But Your Excellency, in the Department of Youth, Gender and Culture, we have a problem. We have a problem with the CEC, Gender, Culture and Sports, because in the ground it's not reflecting your hard work and your efforts. You hardly go to Nairobi, travel all night without sleep to get something for this county. But the one ministry cannot spoil all your efforts, Your Excellency. That's why we young people have come out and said it will never happen under our watch. We will support you to deliver the mandates of the people of this county. We know you are hardworking. We know where you have come from. We know you have thrived politically because that's your strength. We want you to involve the young people in your government, Your Excellency, because we are the best watchdog the world has ever known. Gen Z, if you go to Dubai, Your Excellency, we know you are in Dubai while we are in Nyamira. You will never lie to us. If there is an allocation in a certain ministry, we Gen Zs, we know it has been allocated this much and we know what we expect from the government. You will never lie to us. We congratulate you. We support you. Involve the Gen Z, the young people who are vibrant enough to make the government succeed, Your Excellency. As the young Gen Zs, I want to thank you for coming today to listen to our father who is the governor. Welcome, and this is not the last time we are here. Now we have known the office, we have known the home, we will be coming.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'm Chrysanthus Mongare, Nyabera. I appreciate your time and your time.
Thank you so much. I introduce scholarships for the very, very, very poor. I have 751 students I'm educating free. That shows how much I look at the youth. Number two, the people you are saying I release, by the way, I'm not in charge of police. I'm not in charge of the courts. Even President Ruto cannot direct the courts. So what we can say is that I've heard they have been released, and I think if they keep order, they will not be touched again. The real crooks have not been arrested. They are known. They will be arrested. You cannot hide. You can hide for a day or two, but you'll be found. because you are known. Asante.